Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Pond's mineral clay range. This is a face wash in the form of clay and it has one mask as well. I've got two variations and let me show you. So here are the products. This is a face wash and yeah, these two are face washes and these two are face masks. So this black one here is the anti-pollution face wash. It's a detox face wash, and the pink one here is the brightening face wash. These are the face masks. This one is the anti-pollution detox face mask and this one is the brightening face mask. I will be showing you how to use these products. I will be using all four of these the face wash and face mask. So there are four two different types of face wash and mask. So I will be applying one product on the one part, or like this part of my face, and the other product on this part of my face, like half and half. And I will be sharing my thoughts about these products with you guys. I have been using the face washes for a couple of days now, and I really liked the black one, the purifying one. What is that? It's the anti-pollution purifying, facial foam. I really liked that black one, and it really purifies the skin. It really helps in controlling the oil from the skin. And the brightening one is also nice, but for my skin I really liked the detoxifying, detox black one, the facial foam. So the face washes, like the clay face wash, they have a little bit of beads in it. So when you apply the clay on your face, you kind of have to rub, like gently rub the face wash on your skin, so that the beads will work on the skin and kind of exfoliate your skin better. And then you wash it off and you'll be left with very supple skin. You will you'll love the after effect of these face washes. So I'll be showing you how to use it. I'll be talking about the product in the demo itself.
This is the Pond's White Beauty Mineral Clay Facial Foam Instant Brightness. It has vitamin B3. It comes in a 90-gram packet, and the price for this is 210 rupees. So it's very thick, just like clay, and I'm just applying it on the on one part of my face, and it has beads in it, as I said. And you have to gently rub it into your skin. This one is Pond's Pure White Mineral Clay Facial Foam Anti-Pollution Plus Purity Deep Clean Detox Facial Foam. It has activated charcoal in it. And I'm just applying it on the other side of my face, and again it also has some beads in it. And I've just taken some water and rubbing it onto my skin. It instantly lathers when you apply some water on it. So gently massaging my face, and I'll just wash it off. So I have washed it off, and my face is already feeling so soft and supple, and the face is looking very glowy, and I can really feel the softness on my skin. And my skin is looking really bright right now. I can really feel the brightness on my skin. I can see that. And now I'm applying the mask here. This one is the White Beauty brightening mask, and this pouch is of 8 gram, and the price for this is 30 rupees, and it is a two-use packet. And I'm applying it on one side of my face, and I will let it sit there for about 10 minutes. Now the other mask, this is the detox activated charcoal one, and I'm going to be applying it on the other side of my face. The price for this one is also 30 rupees, and the product quantity is 8 grams. So I'll be applying it on the other side of my face, and letting it sit there for about 10 minutes, and I'll wash it off. So I've washed it off, and I don't know if you can tell, but my skin is looking really bright, and I'm feeling very rejuvenated after this. I haven't applied anything yet, still my skin is glowing. So I really like the combination of these two, like the foam and the mask. And yeah, thumbs up for the products. I really liked them.
So that was my review of the Pond's Mineral Clay range. I hope you liked this review. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I would love to answer those. And do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that I will know you like this review or you like this video. And I will make many such videos in the future. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.